how to buy and sell options on Robinhood. So first of all, open the Robinhood app, launch the Robinhood app on your phone, make sure you approved for option trades. After that, search for stock. So tap the search bar and enter the name or symbol of a stock. Select the stock you want to trade options on. After that, tap on trade, then trade options. So on the stock page, tap on trade button, then tap trading option. Now after that, choose an expiration date. So you will see a list of dates. Pick how long you want to the option to last. And after that, choose a strategy. Now start with buy call or buy put. And now tap on strike price to view contract details. Now after that, review and place your order. Tap the contract you want, enter how many contracts you want to buy or sell, tap review, then swipe up to submit. Now finally, sell or close the option later. To sell, go to your position tab, tap the options and choose sell to choose or to close your position. And this is how to buy and sell options on Robinhood. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.